To begin, access Themes Editor via the Design menu or the left menu from any design-related page. From the grid, you will only see the original startup theme or any other theme you have personally selected and activated. A large range of available theme templates can be seen here. Simply scroll to the right to view thumbnails, or open a preview for more detail. You can then select and activate any theme by clicking this button. The selected theme will then activate in edit mode. Returning to the grid page, you will see this theme is now on your selection list. This column makes it easy to view the name of your widget layout being used in each theme. The default theme is used in combination with the theme scheduler, so that the original theme will be returned to after the end date. The status column displays and allows you to choose a current online theme. You can now activate the theme scheduler. Simply tick the box for each theme and set the start and end date. The system will automatically switch the chosen theme on and off, back to the default theme. Click to either edit, clone or delete each theme here. When editing a theme, you are presented with a real-time design editor. From the left menu panel you have the tools and options, from the right panel you have the storefront view. The theme editor tools are divided by hierarchy. You first have the general settings, then sections within your template, and then the widgets that sit within each section. These widgets can be accessed via the preview screen, as I will show you soon. The average user will only need to set up their General Settings tab. Advanced users have the option of using sections and widgets. Each main tab is then divided again into General Display Settings, Style Settings and Color Options. Another easy and useful operation is to change the layouts of your active widgets using drag and drop. To do this, simply hover your mouse over any widget and click your mouse button to grab. Then, hold and move this widget to the desired location, and drop. As you near a possible drop location, a gray shadow will appear to let you know where the widget will drop to position. We'll now edit general settings for this theme, starting with the display settings. Each theme can have its own header and footer content. Furthermore, each page type may also have different content. Simply activate a page type from here, then click on the corresponding tab to edit that page type header. Now edit the header content here. See how the header content changes between each page type now. The same options appear for the footer as well. We now select from a range of pre-built widget layouts. You can also create these yourself and add to any theme. This is the list of pre-designed widget styles, often suited for each theme. Again, you can create your own style and apply to any theme in this way. Subcategories in the center section can either appear as text only or including image thumbnails. We now expand the selection options related to the product thumbnail listings. To see changes as you make them, simply click into a product listing page from the page type tabs located here. The display styles are pre-built thumbnail designs and layouts you can switch between. Now you can edit the number of products per row and how many rows on each list page. As you see, the theme preview updates as you change your options. If using category thumbnails, The image sizes can also be changed, along with product and brand thumbnail images. The same can be done for brand and product thumbnail sizes. The initial sort order for thumbnails can be set, although your customers can change this manually from the storefront. This option allows you to set your product thumbnails to either display under all upper-level categories, or only the single subcategory chosen. Changing the cell height allows for additional texts if required. Product thumbnail borders can also be added here. And finally, customize the content within each thumbnail. For example, we can remove the star ratings image. Now to the product detail page options. Again, you can select from a range of pre-built page styles. This might change the position of the images and prices, etc. We also offer a range of image display styles. The main image on your storefront will update to the selected viewing style. This option will set your main image dimensions. Here you have display options for tax and product codes. These options will set the number of similar or related product thumbnails you would like to add to the page. The last group of display options are the button styles. A listing style defines the shape of your buttons, for example rounded or square. Here you have the option to change from the default button styles to text-based, or even your own custom ones. Now to edit the style for general settings. The theme style is made of general options to do with table layouts, fonts, link behavior and borders. As you see, all changes are updated on the theme preview as I make them. Advanced users can also enter custom CSS changes. The Color tab is responsible for all the site-wide general color changes. Any finer color changes can be edited under each individual widget settings, which I will show you soon. This handy color picker makes it easy for the average user to select color ranges that work together across each section of your store design. Now you can play around with various tools to find the right mix of colors that suit you. Now, for more advanced options, we can move into more detail using the Sections tab. This handy template allows you to easily choose the section within your page that you want to edit. We're now editing properties within only the left section of the page. The Style tab is similar to the General Settings style options. It's responsible for properties such as background, borders and padding for the selected section. Some options are specific to certain widgets. For example, you can set the top menu to be vertical or horizontal in appearance. Some basic color options are also available here. You can also manually type in color codes if preferred. active widgets for each section are also found here. You can see they match the order of the widgets in your storefront preview. From here, we can open the edit view of each active widget for more detailed settings. And if you would like to add a new widget to this section, just select from this menu. When editing a widget, we start with the title, which displays for this widget on your storefront. Each widget can then be set to display on each different page type. Click here to activate the detailed settings for this widget. A huge range of different widget style templates can be activated from this menu. Each template can be further edited directly from the widget editor under the Design top menu. The header is simply the upper part of the widget containing the widget's title and background. From here, there are a range of advanced tools to adjust the widget's borders, image uploads and alignments. All of the widget component colors can be edited here. For example, the font colors and background colors. Each component utilizes the same easy color picker. Apply and close for your settings to apply to the preview window. You will find each type of widget contains different settings in the edit window. An example is the Custom Menu Creator. This contains a range of options for building a new navigation menu. Just like when we edited a widget to display on different page types, from here we can preview each page type by clicking on the tab. And once we've selected the page type, we can then enter edit mode for any widget located on the layout of this page type. In this case, we are editing a widget with a banner uploaded. If you ever make a mistake, you can always undo your last change here. To apply changes to your live storefront, click Save Theme Settings. So you now see the flexibility of the theme editor. For further advanced options, please see the Product Thumbnail, Product Detail and Widget Design editors. This provides full access to CSS, HTML and image uploads for 100% customization.